Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your audio jack problem and how you can connect this earphones to your Poco C71 smartphone if it is not connecting, how to fix it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on this, you can see, you can just connect it from here, like just input here, insert into your 3.5 audio jack. Now it is showing headphone jack, you can see it is connected. And if it is not showing, then you have to just go to the settings of your smartphone. Then friends, you have to click on the apps here, click on see all apps, click on search, and here you have to write settings, and click on this. You have to clear cache this, clear data also, then press back. You have to write here, you can see go launcher, just click on and clear cache this, then simply press back. And if it is not showing the symbol, you can check whether it is loose from here or it is damaged from here. So you can check your earphones also, and you can go to your service center nearby, so it will fix your problem. And this is how you can fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.